I know your ass is tired of dealing with persistent dandruff that not only ruins your look but also causes that unbearable itching sensation. It's bullshit, isn't it? You've tried countless products, but nothing seems to work effectively against this stubborn snowstorm in my scalp. The constant discomfort and embarrassment can really take a toll on your confidence. Imagine having to not be able to wear black because your human snowflakes constantly fall to your shoulders in public. Yuck! Or worse, dealing with that incessant itchiness during important meetings or social gatherings. It's time to put an end to this annoying and embarrassing problem once and for all. Introducing our ultimate solution, the Total Body Detox, along with our CMOS to make gel. Our Total Body Detox is meticulously crafted to cleanse your system from within, targeting the root cause of dandruff. But that's not all. Our CMOS to create your own gel is the secret weapon to combat dandruff. CMOS is packed with nutrients and minerals that work wonders for your scalp health, soothing the itchiness and eliminating those unwanted flakes. Say goodbye to the discomfort of dandruff and itching. Try our Total Body Detox along with our CMOS today and experience the freedom from dandruff worries. Order from blackveganshop.com today, as they are selling out quickly.